The king is here.
King is in the building. King of new foods. King of new drinks. Yes, sir. Lazy edition. So, Walmart. Always. Of course. Not this time. This time, I got this in Sam's Club, which is Pickle Ranch Layer Chips. Let me say it again. Pickle Ranch Layer Chips. Layers. Let me get it right before y'all correct me. Layers. Chips. Crazy. So, we about to try them. We about to test them. And we about to see what's going to be the outcome. Let's go. All right. Fried pickles with ranch flavor. Yes, sir. Something different. We about to try it out and see what it is. You can't go wrong sometimes with pickles. Ranch. So about to find out the pickle particles is on it, and the chip might be just the ranch itself. So, we're about to try this out and see what it's about. Let's go. Taste test. Okay. All right. Not bad at all. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yo, folks, that is good shit. Good shit. You know, my shoulders started dancing. That's it. It's over. 10 out of 10. Go ahead, Layers. Keep doing your fucking thing. Keep doing your fucking thing, Layers. Yo, I salute you on that. For real. 10 out of 10. Pickle ranch chips. Potato chips. Very good. Very good. It was worth it. Yes. Would I buy it again? Definitely will. My daughter's a big pickle fan. Shouts out to you, Mara. But she's a very big pickle fan, so she gonna love these chips. Very good. Very good. I can't complain at all. Very, very good. I cannot. Got it hands down. Layers, keep it up. Keep doing your thing. Keep it moving, baby. Keep it moving. Y'all doing it well. Y'all been impressing me. Y'all been impressing me. I mean, like I said, you had your you had your put downs and your ups. You're doing your thing. Very well. Very well. Very well. Good. So, Pickle Ranch, Layers chips. Worth it. Go get it. Yes. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, you hear it here. You hear it here. Oh, damn. I gotta edit that out. You hear it here. 10 out of 10. So, you taste it. You haven't tasted it. Drop your comments below. Let me know what you think. If you like pickles, that's it. That's for you. You don't buy it. Basically. But it's good. So, it's your boy, King of New Foods, King of New Drinks in the building, and I'm out the building. Until the next video. Peace.